Once you're connected with OnStar, that will activate your services on your MyChevrolet app. So you download that to your phone and get signed in. Here you can actually lock and unlock your doors, start and stop your vehicle from anywhere. You can even sound the alarm or flash your lights if you need to. Additionally, you can pull up your vehicle status here, and that will give you options to check out your fuel level, your tire pressure, oil life, and other diagnostic information. That diagnostic information can be helpful for knowing when you need to schedule service with your dealership, and we'll be happy to see you at either of our service centers. One other item is your MyChevrolet Rewards account, which will show you how to get signed up for. With this on the app, you can check out your rewards and even get logged right into that system to see how you can redeem your points and how you can earn more points. And that's how easy it is to use the MyChevrolet app.